What's up guys, and welcome to another video. So it is a beautiful Sunday out here in Sydney today, and we're doing something a little bit different. It's going to involve a couple of cars, but not the usual boys. We're taking out the FORBYS today. So we're going up to Blacksmiths Beach, which was about an hour and a half north of Sydney. This up Newcastle ways. So currently we got the old Patrol, we got the Land Cruiser, and we got the dirty D40 Navara.
Yeah, but the thing is, with these sort of cars,
so yeah, it's a little bit of a four-wheel driving beach. We're going to stick the drone up, we're going to have a barbecue, jump in the water, have a swim, and just muck around. One of the things I've been wanting to do ever since I got to Sydney was check out some of these beautiful beaches. You know, you see all the videos up online of, you know, all these beautiful four-wheel drives going down and ripping around, having a good time, you know. So yeah, I'm buckled up, riding shotgun in this old Patrol here. So you got Sheepy's garage. You might have seen Sheepy in a couple of old vlogs, but yeah, let's go.
you're going off-roading, you got a CB radio, you got to top off the mixture.
Welcome to Australia, folks.
I might top off actually, just for the sake of it.
You might what?
I won't be able to fit.
No, this guy on the way. Come on, mate. What are you? I know it's Sunday, mate. Come on.
Fuck, I'm not.
Alright, look at that, guys. We got the full drive recovery kit. We got all the ice in there. We got some fucking bread, some rubbish bags, and some sous vides. Good barbecue.
Good barbecue.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Four-man job.
You got the fucking shit or what? You got drunk?
Job.
Oh mate, not enough ice in there. I want to get higher than that. I'll chuck it in the Esky brew. So I was trying to figure out how to get onto the beach here. Turns out the old, that's just the walking track there. Look, it's even got a fucking Hyundai N badge, this thing, mate. You know this thing means fucking business when he's got the N on it, you know? Look, he's got a fucking cowboy hat on. What's this thing?
So it's earlier on. It's back here.
Well, so we're here, Awabakul Avenue. It
That
says beach
one's
entry, but it's closed. But if we go a bit further up, we're at the base of the beach. So if we go a bit further up, beach entry vehicle access, Beach Street, Ocean Park Road. There's two. The one I went into was this one here.
Alright guys, so we've just found the beach entrance. It's been about 3 hours in the making, but you know, we got there in the end. So one of the big things that you need to do with us four-wheel driving guys, if you're going to go off-road, you need to air down your pressures. Now you want to jump to your tyres. Old Jeepy here is going to show us how it's done in the old Patrol. He's even got the tool for it. Look at him. Look at him. Fuck, he's got the tools and all. Mate, this guy means business. When you go to patrol, guys, you mean business when you're off-roading. So.
I'll be the one that gets bogged. Mate, touch wood, yeah?
Yeah, touch the wood. Mate, you touch the plastic. Johnny's the proper full driving guy.
You, mate.
Look at him. His back's fucked from doing so much full driving, this guy.
Oh, my back.
So it's all the bending down and do the pressures all the time. So what do you do here, John?
So, mate, this thing, right? This is the invention of the century, right? So you fucking wind it on, right? Like that. And then what it does is, pulls the valve out.
Does it?
Actually, look.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, like actually.
I know, like, if you take off, don't like
So
send it.
take the valve out.
That I can't. I don't know. Need help because it can't be
That's
put
it.
up in the wind, otherwise enough will snap. So.
Yeah, it's fucking not bad, this guy, mate.
What a world we live in, eh? Before you would have to sit there with a stubby screwdriver
Yeah.
and stab the
Oh, your key. I thought it'd be way worse than this.
Look at that, he's fucking...
Oh, it'll move around.
Jesus, that thing's bouncing.
Look at that, guys. One of the things I absolutely love about Australia compared to New Zealand is just the beautiful beaches. Like, look at that. Oh, my exposure's going all kinds of fucked up right now, but that beautiful blue water. Oh, look at the landy. Yeah, fucking bopping about. Let's go. Oh, she bogging. That's it.
I can't use my high revs. So.
You just want to keep the speed up.
Well, I do want to, but
Yeah, that's it.
fucking going too slow. Pick your speed up, mate.
Come on, Johnny! Don't get stuck already, mate. You guys were driving a bit too slow for us. Because it was like, in second it was bogging down too much, and first it was too high, so we had to fucking speed up in second.
Well, we can only do low gear.
Yeah. Nah, because it was starting to bog down, and I was like, you need to keep the speed up, you need to keep the speed up. Like, how good, boys, how good is this? Check out fucking this little spotty. They're beautiful, guys. Fucking dunes. Nah, we're all good, cuz. We're all good.
This is mad, bro.
Alright, look at the setup we got going on over here. Tell the old Weber. Here he is. Here he is.
Yeah, we're back.
Fuck it, what's this thing? You got a frying pan there for the eggs, is it?
Yeah, what have we got? That's a good point.
That's for the onions, mate.
Onions, that's it.
That's
You
it.
can cook onions there, I don't know how to go there.
Nah, they're fucking all full through the
I don't know
cracks,
if-
man.
fucking-
Oh, it's on, look.
Yeah, it's all.
It's getting hot,
We've got
baby.
Steve here with his
Oh,
stolen
he's got a
legs.
suck.
Okay, so if I get the universal
So,
Stolen leg.
and then try and...
we got awning out. Just a beautiful little setup for the day. We got a fucking bevy in hand. We stuck the drone up. I don't know how smooth the shots are, but you know, we're still learning on the drone side of things. But
Save my legs because I'm
yeah, no, it's gonna kick back, maybe jump in the water, have something to eat, sing some bevies, and That's what it's all about. Summer, baby. Welcome to Australia. Hey! Let's go! Hey! Oh, we're in here, guys. We're in here, fucking Nathan's kitchen. We got the chicken on the go at the moment. We got some lamb, we got some sausages, but we've also got the vegetarian options for, you know, those vegos. You know, we like to cater for everybody around here, you know how it is. But, yeah, you know, it's got some good tunes. We can still go on the bivvies. This on the chicken now, we're just gonna let that hang out for a little bit. Ew, let's go. Oh, look at that, we got that fucking nice bit of onion in there. Mate, you on the sauce too? We got sauce in there.
Yeah, I'll tell you that one.
Alright, so we're back on the road. We're just going to go for a little boosty boy. Gonna hit that end of the beach. We're going to come cruising back. Just want to get some drone shots, get some rollers of the boys, and then call it a day, basically. Nice little day sesh on the beach. Oh yeah. Look at that thing, looks fucking clean. This is how we do. Push the bro out, eh? Get up, boys! Oh, I'm a bit more recovered after eating shit off the back of the fucking D40. Alright, so my phone died, so we're onto the iPhone now. I mean, my camera died. Fucking thing, but... Oh, fucking mean ya! Me fucking camera... Hey, where'd you go?
We went back to the entrance now.
Oh, really? Can you get back out through there?
That's, yeah, you know the easy way that they said?
Yeah?
That's where that is.
Oh,
now.
cracker.
It's actually better. That's fucking
Yeah?
there, bro. That's fucking hectic.
Fucking check out the state of this thing. What do you do, Steve? Fucking hell. Fuck. The land is looking alright, but... The boys are fucking sending it.
Oh, he's 2 little guys.
Yeah! Oh!
Yes! You did it again, you piece of shit!
Just the sump.
Hope it's not important.
Oh, grab the ugga duggas out. Where's he gone?
Is the gate open? Still?
Not sure I didn't go that far.
Yeah, okay, we're just gonna go check that out.
Be a balls tug and go have a look.
That's good. Anyway.
Fucking why are you asking the question?
Send it. This is what happens when Steve drives a D40.
Wait. Now. Now. Wait, wait.
I can smell some engine. What is it? Is it yours?
How's it heat?
I was in 5th gear in low.
It's heating up. Yeah, we'll go back to high. We'll find that there is servo and air back up again.
Alright. Let's go, you're up.
No, I'm saying shut the bonnet, don't look at it.
There's one word. Hey John, there is one word for this. Toyota.
Nah, she'll be right, mate. I'm surprised about how good the fucking old Navy went. Not bad, bro.
Oh, thank you, man.
Nah, she went alright. Not bad, not bad. Alright guys, we're gonna end the video up here. We had an awesome day out at Blacksmith Beach. We had a barbecue, we went for some tuning, we fucked around, had a couple of bevies, and just had an all round good time. So we're just gonna air up the whippings and start heading back. We've got a 2-hour drive home. So nice and chill. You know how it is, it's a Sunday, you know. So don't forget, chuck a comment below. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, we got some awesome, exciting stuff planned for this year. I've got some awesome news coming up in the next couple of weeks. Really, really, really excited. We also got the R31 Skyline going. We got it running. We got it running under its own boost. So I'm excited to do another video with that and get that thing pumping. And hopefully within the next maybe couple of months, get that thing out to Eastern Creek. So it should be good. It should be good. But for now, this is it. I'll see you guys next video. Goodbye.